No, what? Bro. No. Ah. I beat it. Bro, I'm goated with the sauce. I'm goated with the sauce. Woo! Let's go, dude. There's my first list demon in a while. This is number 142 on the list, by the way. Just to clarify. God. We finally beat this after, what? How many months is it since I got 69 on this level? Oh, Lord. Jesus Christ, man. This level's stressful. Very, very stressful. Oh, way too many deaths. Way too many stupid deaths. We fluked it from 74, though. We did not die to the past 74, the robot cube, or the ending. Thank goodness. Like 98, imagine. Okay, Black Blizzard. What do I have to say about this level? Okay, I like it a lot. Like, this is definitely one of my favorite levels that I used to play back in the day. And I liked it so much that I tried to beat it back then, and then that's how I got 69. And then I didn't really have the skills to finish it off, really. But now I did. Now that it's like 142 on the list, yeah. Back then it was like, what? Around the 80s, 90s territory? This is almost gonna be legacy list, guys. Can you believe it? This level's gonna be freaking legacy list. This game's crazy, man. Alright, well, that's all I have to say about Black Blizzard. Alright, and until the next extreme, guys, see ya.